can you know your iCloud password on the iPhone? So let me show you where you can find it potentially and how you can even change it. So let's get started. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe for more Foxtecc videos. Okay, so the iCloud password and Apple account password and Apple ID password, it's basically the same thing, right? So you have one Apple account which you are using with your device. You can see it when you go to the settings app and tap on your profile, and at the top, this is the place for all of the things combined. And it is possible that the password is saved in your passwords manager. So there is a dedicated app on the iPhone, which is literally called Password. You can get inside and authenticate yourself, scan your face, and it's possible that you'll see some information about the codes which you have saved, right? So if you were logging in somewhere and you clicked on save, this is the place where it's going to be. So in my case, I can see the Apple account, which is of course the iCloud password, and I can check it out right here. But even if not, it is possible to go to the main settings app where, as I've shown you or mentioned, there is the profile at the top of the list. And upon clicking on it, you can expand more and go to the sign in and security menu. And this is the place where you can manage the security stuff, but it is possible to change the iCloud or Apple ID password with a click of a button, even without like typing in the old one, because the old one is not really required because it's on your phone. You are authenticated with Face ID, so it's like nobody else can randomly change it. It only works on this device, so you can just quickly change it and you will now know and likely remember the new password, so you know it can be more secure, and perhaps you can even store it in your passwords manager. It's up to you, but that's how you can kind of like know and figure out your iCloud password. Well, that is all from me. I really hope that I was able to explain the thing and the way that it works. If it's your first time on this channel, stay tuned by subscribing so you don't miss more videos like this one.